Hey, fellow Gen Xers, remember the thrill of getting your first AOL disc in the mail? That screeching dial-up modem sound was our soundtrack into the digital age. From mixtapes to MP3s, our generation has navigated a sea of tech revolutions. But the rise of AI is something else entirely. Grab your favorite retro snack, settle in, and let's explore 12 things Gen Xers need to know about ChatGPT, the conversational AI tool that's reshaping how we work, play, and live. Welcome to the world of Eve Pacific. I'm Noble Woods, your partner in evolution. Time to hit play on this deep dive. 1. ChatGPT, your personal AI co-pilot. Remember Kit from Knight Rider, your ideal sidekick, always ready with info and advice? ChatGPT is your real-life digital co-pilot, handling everything from brainstorming creative ideas to simplifying complex tasks. Whether you're prepping for a business pitch, crafting emails, or even planning your next vacation, ChatGPT provides conversational assistance 24/7, like a smarter version of the Ask Jeeves we once relied on. 2. Conversations, not commands. Forget the rigid keyword searches from the early web days. ChatGPT understands natural conversational language. Think of it as chatting with an ultra-informed friend who just gets you. So instead of typing cryptic keywords, you simply ask, "Can you help me summarize my report?" Or, "What's the easiest way to organize this project timeline?" And boom, instant clarity. 3. Boosting your productivity. Big time. AI isn't just hype, it's a productivity powerhouse. Imagine handling mundane tasks like summarizing lengthy documents, generating meeting agendas, or drafting social posts in seconds, leaving you more space for big picture thinking. Remember how excited we were when email first streamlined our communications? ChatGPT is the next leap forward in that efficiency journey. 4. Personalized learning, MTV style. Just like MTV personalized our music taste, ChatGPT customizes learning. Whether you're brushing up on professional skills or picking up something totally new, it provides tailored explanations to match your style and speed. Struggling with Excel formulas or Python code? ChatGPT's got your back with patient step-by-step tutorials customized just for you. 5. Creative content machine. Remember making mixtapes? Carefully curating every track? Now imagine an AI that curates content ideas and even crafts drafts for blogs, newsletters, and LinkedIn posts. Whether you're launching a side hustle, promoting your brand, or simply keeping your social profiles fresh, ChatGPT can spark and polish your creativity faster than your favorite mixtape deck. 6. Helping small businesses compete. Remember how small record stores got crushed when mega chains moved in? ChatGPT levels the playing field, giving small businesses big company capabilities like instant customer service chatbots, smart content marketing, and rapid market research. No massive marketing team? No problem. ChatGPT helps your small business operate at enterprise scale. 7. AI in your pocket, the ultimate assistant. Once upon a time, we carried PDAs like the Palm Pilot, amazed at digital organizers in our pockets. Now, ChatGPT is accessible everywhere you have a smartphone or computer, instantly streamlining your life. Stuck at the airport? Need talking points for a sudden meeting? ChatGPT ensures you're never truly on your own, like the perfect digital assistant, always on call. 8. Ethical awareness, avoiding AI pitfalls. Gen X has always been skeptical of hype, and rightfully so. ChatGPT is powerful but not perfect. Understanding its limitations, such as occasional inaccuracies or unintended bias, is crucial. Think of ChatGPT like early GPS. It's revolutionary, but sometimes needs you to use common sense. Being ethically aware helps us leverage AI safely and responsibly. 9. The rise of prompt engineering. Remember becoming spreadsheet wizards with Excel back in the 90s? Prompt engineering, crafting clear instructions for AI, is the hot new skill. Mastering how to ask ChatGPT questions effectively can boost your career prospects dramatically. In short, knowing how to communicate effectively with AI tools might soon be as vital as knowing how to use a spreadsheet or email was back in our early careers. 10. Protecting your privacy. Gen Xers value privacy. After all, we're the latchkey generation who grew up navigating independence and trust. While ChatGPT doesn't store personal data from interactions, always exercise caution in what you share. Think of your conversations with AI as public rather than private, keeping sensitive details secure just like in the early days of online chat rooms. 11. AI for career transitions and job searches. Remember flipping through classified ads and mailing out resumes hoping for callbacks? Now, ChatGPT can help craft tailored cover letters, optimize resumes, prep you for interviews, and even identify new career opportunities based on your skills. Thinking about a career pivot at this stage in life? ChatGPT can be your secret weapon, streamlining the entire job hunting process. 12. Preparing for the AI-driven future. The pace of technology is exponential. Just like we went from cassettes to CDs to streaming music, AI will continually evolve. Staying informed and adaptable isn't optional, it's essential. Keep exploring, experimenting, and engaging with AI tools like ChatGPT regularly. It's your ticket to staying ahead, ensuring your skills stay fresh and your opportunities stay plentiful. So fellow Gen Xers, are you ready to embrace the AI wave with ChatGPT? If you're excited about staying ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for weekly tips to navigate the digital evolution. Share your own AI journey in the comments. Did ChatGPT blow your mind or save your workday? And don't forget to follow Eve Pacific for even more Gen X insights into AI, automation, and the tech that's shaping our lives. Thanks for watching, keep exploring, and until next time, stay innovative, stay curious, and keep evolving.